Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Zurich for online insurance account access. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To log into your Zurich online insurance account, start by opening your web browser. In the address bar, type in the Zurich website URL and hit enter. Once the page loads, locate the login option on the home page. Click on the login button to proceed to the login page. You will be prompted to enter your username. Type in your username carefully to avoid any errors. Next, move on to the password field. Enter your password, ensuring that it is typed correctly. After entering your credentials, look for the Submit button. Click on the Submit button to proceed. If your information is correct, you will be redirected to your account dashboard. In case you forget your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password by entering your email address. Check your email for a password reset link from Zurich. Once you receive the email, click on the link to create a new password. Return to the login page and enter your new password along with your username. Click Submit again to access your insurance account. If you encounter any issues during the login process, check your internet connection. Ensure that you are using the correct website to avoid phishing attempts. If problems persist, consider contacting Zurich customer support for assistance. Now you're ready to manage your insurance online. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.